Hey friend, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block a website on your phone using the AVG Antivirus. Now, you can easily download the AVG Antivirus app on the Play Store or App Store. Once you have the app downloaded, you go ahead and open the app and, of course, log in. So once you're in the app, you can easily go ahead and block a website by clicking Explore at the bottom, then click on the Web Shield, then go ahead and click on the Add or Allow website. Now, let me just show you something. If you open it for the first time, you will notice that it's going to say switch on at the bottom here. So once you add your website, you will now have the switch on option, and you want to allow the application on your phone. So you need to go through the steps to allow it, and so you can go ahead and allow that. So here, to if you don't have it on, it's going to go ahead and show you that it says switch on, and you can tap on that. It's going to give you to the option to allow it, and it's going to take you into your applications on your phone where you can give the accessibility to that. And whenever you want to turn that off, the web shield, you can simply click the three dots on the upper right and turn off web shield from here. But I want to keep that on, so I'm going to turn it on in a bit. Now, all you have to do now, guys, to add a website to the block list, just simply click on add or remove websites, tap on the block section, click on add website, and we're going to use the example www.google.com. So we're going to block Google, for example, as an example here. Then click and done. Now click on add site, and it's going to add there. Now go back and then click on switch on, and you will add Google to the block list. As you can see, Google is on the block list. Now if I open my phone and type in, for example, google.com, you will see when I hit search, it's going to go ahead and block the website. Now, whenever you're ready to turn off websites, guys, from the block list, just go back into the web shield again, and you can either remove the website from the block list. And as you can see right here, it showed that I had a website in the block list, so it showed the traffic right here. And of course, you can always remove the site from the block list by removing it, and it's now removed, and then you can turn off the web shield once you're ready as well. How easy it is to do that. And that's pretty much it, guys.